If an engine overheats or a lift gate fails to lower, probably no one will be injured. However, if a safety system such as vehicle steering or brakes or a window defroster fails to operate correctly, both the operator of the vehicle and the general public are placed at risk. It's just not acceptable to run a safety-related system to the point of failure. An essential part of a preventative maintenance system is to periodically check and maintain all systems, which affect the ability of a vehicle to be operated safely.